Shoot him.
Yeah! Well, welcome back to another video. In this video, we're going to be out shooting pigeons in a bean field that was harvested last year that has not been planted. Well, actually, it just got planted 2 days ago. The farmer made us walk out there, which is not a big deal, but yeah, I hope we get into them, so see how it goes. Shoot the two.
Wait. Shoot him. Did you get both of them?
No. Oh, group two, all right. Get down, get down, get down.
Shoot him. Watch out back. Might get a second shot.
Heck yeah.
Take the single here. Shoot him.
All right, get down. Another single coming.
Another single coming right at us, guys. Shoot the single. Are we all just gonna shoot one every single or what? I don't think they'll get away that way. There's it. Wanna take him?
Yeah.
Shoot him.
Boom.
Got him. Nice. That wasn't bad. Nice shooting on the side there.
No one drowning.
I went for the front one. I figured you could handle your side.
Oh yeah, I got him. We'll just shoot what we can. And
Shoot
burn them. We all
Got that
we
white
shot at that pretty one.
Hey, up front.
Get down.
Get down.
Get down here, get down here. And shot him.
Oh shit. Shoot that one. Nice shot. Get down, get down. Shoot
Burn him.
Guys. Nice shot.
We got three.
Oh, go down. Shoot it, guys.
Oh.
Damn it.
Feathers.
Auburn white.
Oh shit.
Shit. Shoot him.
Well,
Got him.
I shot at the white one.
The
All right.
Auburn one's going down.
He is down.
Is he? Wait. Shoot him.
All right, get back down. Maybe those ones will come in yet.
Shot pretty good there.
I thought it was.
Shoot him.
Oh, we got one. Good deal. Better than none.
Nice shooting. Wait. Shoot him, guys. That's pretty good shooting. We'll take that.
Woo!
Let's go. Shoot him there, guys. Woo! We'll take that.
Oh yeah. There's a pretty one right here.
Shoot him, guys. Hero shot, hero shot.
That one's not feeling good.
Oh, hey, this one.
Oh! Auburn too. I had to see if my Auburn was banded or not, but I don't think so.
Are they still coming?
No bands, fuck. Thing's pretty though.
Do I got time?
They're coming, they're coming.
They're right here.
Smash them, guys.
I had to throw the decoy out there.
Hey, we got another.
Oh, yep.
Guys, pick birds out. Wait. Do them. Ah!
Go down.
Did we get any?
Oh yeah, I got one.
Mine's gonna land right on the road. There he goes.
Shoot over me if you need. There's a brown one right here in the back.
You guys want to spin around and shoot them?
Cut him right now. Go, 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 go! Oh! Oh! Oh!
Back, whatever. Shoot them, guys.
Just wait, just wait, just wait. Wait.
Shoot.
Go. Oh, go down. Oh, he's coming back.
Oh, someone shoot it. Oh.
Oh.
Shoot him.
I only had one shell in, but I got him.
Thank you for ducking.
Yeah, I didn't even
saw
stand
you duck
up.
and I'm like, yeah, I'll take him.
Oh yeah.
Oh, right here, right here, right here. Oh yeah, he's coming. Shoot him, guys. Shoot him. Oh, that one's going down. Into the freaking trees. Wait. Shoot him. That one might go down. Shoot him.
Holy shit!
I think you guys did a 360 on that.
I started here and then I got.
Taking the 3.
Yeah. For sure.
Yep, we'll shoot these 3. I got the way right one.
Shoot him.
There you
Go
go.
down, baby. Yep.
The one wants to
We
fucking
gotta
die.
take the one here. Shoot him.
Good night.
3 more coming. Shoot him.
Holy shit! That thing was going fast.
Shoot him. Oh!
We got 2. Oh! We're getting one again.
Shoot him.
2 more off.
Call.
2 more off to the right.
Shoot him.
All right, get down. Might have more coming.
Shoot him. Still have 2.
There's one walking.
I got him.
Nope, not that one here. I got him.
That shell hit me in the head.
He's still going.
Dude, those did it nice. I got 2, I think.
That would be.
GoPro is off.
I was like, you gotta be fucking kidding me.
The only big.
Oh shit.
Shoot. Did we get any?
I don't know. I don't think so.
Oh, circle back through. Shoot him.
That one's going down.
Swinging. Burn into him.
Shoot him.
Yeah!
Did you guys empty?
Yeah!
Actually, I didn't even empty.
Hey, that one.
Hey.
Nobody aimed on that one.
No, I just put it in the group and shot.
They looked like they were all falling right away.
Well, I'd say we're doing pretty good. That last group we ran into them, I think we got about 12. I'm hoping that GoPro got it, but we'll see. They're like the perfect distance out there, and we were like, alright, try them. We ran more than we thought we were gonna. But, yeah, I think it's about 3:30 now. Got out here about noon. So, we'll see what happens the rest of the day. Oh! I missed my first shot.
Okay, is that another group coming or going?
Looks like they're going.
There's that one. I don't know if I can...
Oh, geez, that's a pull. Yeah!
All it takes is one.
Oh, baby. Getting into them or what? Oh, yeah. Yeah.
I'll keep an eye on them.
Shoot him.
Well, I
Did you get
dusted
one?
that one. Look at all the feathers.
Wait. Shoot him.
Well, we got the pretty one.
Auburn too.
I think it was fucking close. Maybe they're gonna decoy it. Oh, here we go. Better get them all, boys. Well, they're all white wings. These are 3 bands, boys. Go. Well, shoot, match!
On your way back.
Shoot it!
Shoot it!
It's flying right at him.
He missed.
Group here. Shoot him.
Shoot him. Wait.
Yep, you just tell me when.
Just wait. Shoot him. Get that one, Joey.
Oh, I shot the one on the
On
ground.
the grass like all that. They would have to be close.
All right, hold on. I'll call it. Cut him. Well, did pretty good there. I think I only got one, but
Let him slow up.
and burn him. Well,
Not bad.
seen that get down 5-pack on the
We
right.
might have another pack here.
I think we got it 4 or 5.
We got 3 for sure.
The ones I could shoot at went down. Nice.
Shoot your lanes.
Crunch them.
Shoot him.
I didn't reload. Shoot him!
Come on.
Yeah! I only had 1 shell in.
Shoot
Burn him. Oh! Oh, one more! Get him! Get him! Oh!
You're gonna land.
Them things grouped up
Yeah,
perfect.
That's why I was like,
Look
yeah.
at that. Let's shoot the 4.
Shoot him.
Jeez. I burnt some feathers off that guy.
Oh.
Burn him.
Shoot him.
Woohoo! Heck yeah, another, what,
I
6?
think that was the fastest now I railed off.
We got more coming.
Yep.
Shoot him. Get that one left.
He's down. Sweet. Fuck him. I didn't want to shoot. Keep shooting. Woo!
Oh.
Don't worry, I'll get them both.
Go ahead, guys.
Oh, jeez. Dump the whole group or none. Burn them.
Oh, got
All
most of
but
them.
2.
4.
I only had 1 shell in again, but we are not doing too bad today. We're gonna give it probably another hour and then we'll take off, but oh, can't complain. I was thinking we were gonna maybe get, I don't know, 50, 60, but we gotta be close to 100. We haven't counted yet, but I guess we'll see when we start counting. 3, 2, 1.
Oh, there's 3.
Another one coming.
Another one that we might
Yeah, you might be able to get a shot at that one. He might come in.
No, just leave him. He'll come down. Get him.
Yep.
Oh! You wait. Go.
I didn't see any go down. There was 2.
I got 2.
God, I was right.
Shoot.
He did.
Someone had to throw one in there. Hey, that was...
Burn him. Oh, I got that sailor. Go down.
Come on, come back in.
Oh yeah, he's dead.
All I know is I went for the top.
Oh shit.
Shoot him, guys.
Oh, that pretty one got away.
Oh.
Woo!
Oh, Camden.
Oh, you did have shells.
We'll leave him.
Shoot him, guys. Get that one.
Fucker's far.
Oh, big.
Still too far.
Wait, shoot him. Oh, fuck.
What the fuck?
Stop shooting those on the ground.
Yep.
Shoot him, guys. Get that one. This way. Go for it. Not banded. Shoot him. Come on, go down.
Well, that was an expensive bird.
I unloaded.
He's gonna go down.
He fucking better. Shoot all three of them. Come on. Dick 'em. Get him! What? Fucking that guy is. Jesus.
Well, if you haven't already, hit that subscribe button. This is an absolute just perfect hunt. Right away in the we started about noon, but it was not the best. I didn't think we were gonna get near what we got because nothing was decoying, and we only seen like 50 birds in the first 2 hours, but it picked up pretty good, as you can tell. But yeah, can't complain about that outcome right there. We ended up getting 181, which is pretty nuts. We got a few pretty ones, but we did not get any bands, which is fine. But yeah, now we're gonna finish packing up, carry all our stuff out of here. The farmer just planted it like 2 days ago, so he didn't want us to drive out here, which is understandable, but we only had a little walk, so not too bad. But yeah, so I'm hoping we have many more pigeon hunting videos to come. This is a great way to start it for this season. But yeah, Rusty's shooting for the first pigeon hunt of the year. But yeah, well, if you haven't already, hit that subscribe button, leave a like, comment, whatever you guys want to see. But yeah, see if we can do that some more this season.